Well, today is the 15th Friday, and right now it's a sideways market, so I decided to make a video. Rig count is coming out. I think sometime noontime, and also realized that contract rollover or contract rolled over already. Anyways, I've just been watching this market. Didn't want to participate in any of this because it's just um, so wicky, and the price swing is very huge. It's not very clean, as opposed to something like this right here. If you can compare this move versus this move, it's very wicky. This is a good way to lose money. Is try to short it, then it'll stop you out, and then it'll go to the intended direction. So I made two trades today. I got this one got stopped out because I took it broke even plus one tick, and then I took this one. I was trying to scalp the market at 10 ticks just because during the time where I was participating, that's all I think I could get. So as long as you're a winner, I think that's perfectly acceptable. So anyway, so let me go over my trade. So coming into the morning, I was watching this price action, and if you look at the daily, the daily already, there's like a huge engulfing pattern right there, and I was expecting it to sell off, but it did not. I was right here. It was right here, and then found that broke this candle here by two ticks, and then let's see, yeah, 20. This was low 28. This one's 26. So broke it by two ticks and just rallied from there. So I knew that there was going to be some upside to this, but I don't think the indices are going to help us today, just because Dow has already been selling off. And today's just been sideways, just like I said, because of the rig count. So having said that, I was just looking at the pattern, and I was going through intraday. So this is exactly what I was thinking. Um, notice. I was watching, try to see what the price is going to do around this level right here, and I was watching it because my expectation is it'll sell off, right? But then again, at the same time, I was my bias is because it's been so it found support at this level here that it's going to go up. So I was really trying to go long, but just watching these price candle, it seems like this thing would just break it by a penny and then sell back off. And so if you had bought right here, you would have gotten stopped out by a few pennies. So right, low as this one's 53, that one's 49. So four ticks, it'll stop you out and come back up, right? So I saw that was happening. So I took a chance, and this time, I mean, I shorted it just because my expectation that this thing was going to sell off, and sure enough, I sold it right here. But this candle right here, this green one, stopped me out by like I said, by a tick. So I held on and didn't want to participate in it, and I was like, okay, well, I guess in a way it was kind of good, because if you could see this red green, I mean, this thing is just ridiculous. I mean, you don't want to get caught in that one, just because it's going to not only ruin your psychology, but it's also going to you know it just makes you guess, and now you're all confused, and you're gonna doubt your skills, just because you're getting caught in this mess. But believe me, if you can just keep a 2-to-1 risk reward, I think you'll be fine. um, so anyhow, so this one rallied again, like you can see here, 85, about 95 here, and it started to sell back off. So this one already signaled a weakness in price. So I was watching it, but then again, I was not knowing really what the direction is. It's just because it's inside of this range. So my expectation really was to participate in this area right here, and I didn't quite do that as well. So when I saw this, it was trending really good. this is a 1 minute chart. It's just downtrending. So I was like, okay, well, maybe I do have a chance to short this. And 5 tick risk. I got in at 64. So it was this candle right here, but I got in like just not really right below it, but it'll be it's around this area, right around here. So this candle is was the only move. I mean, as soon as it went down, it took me out at 64. So my target was right there, and bumped down a few, and then rallied back up. So at that point, I got two winners. So I'm just sitting here trying to watch the market, and I was really my wait. I was really waiting for this price right here, and this is really what I wanted, where I wanted to participate in. But as you can see, it did get there, but my order just was not. I just didn't put it in order. So foolish me, and then it rallied a little bit more. So that could have been another, from this value here, but I mean, even if you get in at this price right here at 40, going up all the way to 65, so that's about 25 ticks, which is fairly decent. But as you can see, it's been just sideways, right? There's no commitment in price, and my expectation, I think, is still going to go up, just because it's been down so many times. But then again, rig count is going to determine that for us today. So anyhow, that's it for me today. Well, I need to go to work, so I better get out of here. And until then, if you have any questions, just send me an email. I've been more than happy to help you out. Otherwise, I'll see you guys on the next video. 3 days. It's gonna be a 3-day weekend. MLK next week, next Monday, or this coming up Monday. And please subscribe if you like the video, and also like the video. It really does count. So anyhow, I'll see you guys Monday or Tuesday, and see you on the next video. So you have a good weekend. Thanks. Bye.